friends, welcome to Corporate Tales. I just thought it's Sunday, same day, and it's 5:14 p.m. I had tea, and I just thought that I'll share with you, I'll connect with you, and share some of my luxury favorites. This is luxury to me, and it's not bought recently. Most of the items are bought, before lockdown or over last 1 year. I buy makeup usually once a year, and or clothing once or twice a year, depending on the festivals. So yeah, do watch my video how I save for travels. But I do love shopping though. So and this may or may not be luxury to you. It depends on our personal preferences. But this is luxury. This is absolutely luxury to me, and these are my favorites. So the first one, or the let me share the most recent one, is Gaultier perfume. I love Jean Paul Gaultier, and I do love Jean Paul Gaultier perfume. This is the one that I picked up. It's 100 ml bottle, and I picked up at Bangalore airport while traveling to Hyderabad. So this was one of my recent purchase, and it actually retails for 6,000, and I got it for 3,000. So quite a deal. I got 50% off, and I was thinking, that I do love Gaultier. I want to buy that perfume. I don't want to spend 6,000 because I have another two more perfumes that I got from States. So um, so yeah, I got this at a 50% is a good discount. I was hoping for more deals. There were other perfumes that I liked, they were not on discount, so I thought I'll just get this. So can't go wrong with a 100 ml bottle. I will link everything in the description box, but though I did not get a link for this to share in the description box in the last video. So that, and then this is something that I got in October 2019, Givenchy Metis May foundation. So this is the one that I wear sometimes. I don't wear makeup all the time, while I'm doing the videos. So I started my channel in February of this year. In October I got this because I had a award ceremony to attend. I was going to get a award at work, so I just thought that I will do some light makeup, and we had to wear formals and all that. It was my day, so that's the reason I picked this up while traveling during Dussehra from Bangalore to Mumbai, from again the same Shoppers Stop counter. And it is pretty nice. It's very light, it's not very cakey, and it gives light coverage. It gives medium coverage rather than light coverage, and it's okay for me. If some flaws are seen, it is okay with me, and it gives kind of slight glow to the skin. So I did wear during my award ceremony. I'm very much fond of this. I will link in the description box. Okay, and then what else I like? Yeah, I also like this Chanel nail paint that I picked up last year from duty free London airport while traveling back to India, and it is ballerina. It's definitely ballerina. Yeah, it's ballerina. Not sure if you can see. Not sure if you can see. I'll see if I can link this. And it's light color. It's perfect for work. It's like a nudish pink. It's perfect for work. I don't like to wear bright nails at work, and if you do want to wear, it's very, very professional look. If you do want to wear a nail paint at work, I mean, this works for me. And then this is my favorite Dior lipstick. This was also bought last year in last trip. So like I said, I buy makeup once a year, once every 18 months or 2 months. So this is another Dior lipstick. I like this very much. This Dior Mysterious Matte, and I think the name itself is Mysterious Matte. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's Dior, and it is this shade. It's like nice pinkish mauvish deep shade that I like very much. It suits my skin tone. This is another favorite of mine. I also like Kiehl's sunscreen, and I've started using it again. I've started using it again now that I moved to Hyderabad, even during the daytime, even if I'm not going out. So yeah, this is another favorite of mine, and sunscreen is must and it works. It's dermatologist recommended, and it's non-comedogenic as well. I mean, it will not clog your pores. This definitely works for me. So this is the one that I recommend. So we covered perfume, and we covered makeup, lipstick, nail paint, and sunscreen, which is must. And I also like this Givenchy concealer. It is in color, if I can see, it's in color 01. So it comes in a pen format. I've shown you in Get Ready With Me videos. So it comes in a pen format, comes in like a brush pen kind of format, and it's very easy to apply. So I like, these kind of makeup items which are very easy to apply. I don't want to spend a lot of time applying makeup. So this is other one that I like, and I got it free with the Givenchy foundation. She gave this to me. And as you know, if you know me by now, I like to maximize my purchases. So that is the another one that I like. And there are a few more things I want to show you. So in clothing, I like this blazer from Tommy Hilfiger. I mean, I know there are other pretty expensive blazers that you can buy, but this was also picked up from Macy's, and this is size 4. It is a bit loose. I don't know, it was not loose when I bought it, but I guess I lost weight during this lockdown. And if you can see, I wore this recently during one of the meeting, and it looked quite good. A bit loose, but it's classy, navy blue. Can't go wrong with it. So I have another meeting planned next week, and I plan to use this. Okay, and the last item that I want to show you is, this was also bought last year, not recently, is my Michael Kors bag that I have not used. So I've shown this in my handbag collection. So this is my favorite. Probably I'll use when I travel to Mumbai, when things are right. Let me just get out the bag, keep it in the dust bag. So this is the bag that I had got during my last vacation to States. So this is the one I like. It's new, it's nice, again classic camel color, I don't know, a brown color if you want to call, and that I can take with me to work also, and also while I travel. So yeah, these are some of my favorite items, and it's nice to open and give them some air and have gratitude for what we already have, rather than spend money on newer items. I did buy some skincare item, and I shared a skincare haul with you. So like I said, I buy once a year, in bulk, or mostly replacement. I generally like to save money for my travels. There isn't any travel plan right now. All the plans are cancelled, as because we are living in pandemic. I think some parts of Europe are open, and I got an email that Air India is accepting bookings for US flights, but we have to wait. I can't even travel to Mumbai, so we have to wait, and just wait, and just hang in there. What else we can do? And save money, so that when things are safe, when we can go ahead and venture out, we can make some concrete travel plans and actually travel with my GoPro. Yeah, so like I said previously, my intention with this channel was also to make a lot of travel videos, because I travel a lot. Maybe I can also take weekend trips, is what I had thought at that point of time. And after I started, when I started, I was sick, and after that there was lockdown. So because I started something, something new. I did not want to stop, so I kept doing other lifestyle videos or how to videos. And there are fun series, self development series that are planned for next month, because things are still bad here in Hyderabad. So stay tuned for it. So let me know what were your favorite items, and if you like any of this, do let me know in the description box. And if you have any luxury favorites that you want to recommend, do that as well. And if you like the video, hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.